大家好，我是罗杰 and today I have something super cool that I just bought the other day, but I will leave it for a bit later. And I want to ask you because I know the styles in China are kinda a bit different from here. The furniture, the decorations and stuff may be a little different from European bedrooms. So I want you to send me some pictures so I can see it by myself how your bedrooms, your decorations and everything looks like. I'm really curious. So yeah, let's start with the room tour. This is what I see. Just the windows with light and camera. I've made some few upgrades and in case you are new, I wanted to be this part of the room, maybe something like a bar style, a kind of place that you can chill out, just relax and stuff. So this is why on this furniture here, I've put some beers and different kind of things so you can see like it's a bar ambience. And also I put these lights at the top. It gives you some chilling vibes. Also with a lot of wallpapers. Actually I don't like this one, but I didn't have more and today I will have to change it because of the package that just arrived. Yeah, so a part of these beers here I have my gaming area and my Apple area. Like where every time I sell something I have to keep the box in a good condition, so I just keep everything here. I'm sure I will have to sell it someday, so I just keep it here in perfect conditions. Also this guitar here, as you can see, I bought it when I was 13 I think. Actually just 2 months ago I found the footage of me doing my first concert and it was cool, my first and last concert. Also here we have furniture full of wallpapers. Everything is wallpapers because I love wallpapers and it gives you a lot of color and it makes it not be like boring, you know. Also moving into the desktop area here, we have 2 shelvings. One with some books and some video games and some other random decoration here. With my new addition to the decoration, the face mask. So if I have to go out like for 10 minutes, if I go to walk the dog, so it's not worth throwing the mask, so I keep it here. Yeah, it looks horrible, but 2020, yeah. Also, on my desktop, we have my new, I bought it almost a year ago already, before losing my job. Yeah, 2020. Bought this 2K monitor because where I was working, I needed a 4K camera to record as good as possible. So I bought this camera and I bought this 2K monitor, but my computer is not good enough to edit in 4K, so I struggle a lot. I will fix it in the future, I hope. And my newest addition, something that is super cool, because I drink a lot of water. Staying in front of the computer for too long makes your eyes dry a lot, so I drink a lot of water. So I just bought this big bottle. Also my MacBook for doing other kind of work. Also if I want to work from bed or I want to move if I'm living. Right now I can't live because it's 2020. Yes, 2020. It's kind of useless right now, my MacBook, because I barely go outside. But yeah, it's here. Someday I will bring it outside again. And something that I really love, and it's this small thing from here. This is basically a 3-in-1 charger. Basically you can put your phone here, my AirPods and my watch, and it charges all at once. Because before I had a lot of cables and I hate it so much. I don't like cables at all. I really recommend if you have wireless charging to just buy 3-in-1 or 2-in-1. I think it's really worth. Also, my bed where my cats sleep more than me. Sometimes I don't even have space for myself because the animals just sleep here during the whole day. Every time I'm recording a video, there's an animal sleeping here. They come here, they clean each other, then they sleep, and at night they just wake me up. And for the last thing, we have the heads area. You may wonder why it's so messed up. Well, actually, it's so messed up because I go here, I take one hat, I go outside, I come back, and then I just throw it here. It's a mess because I change my hat a lot, so it's useless to try to organize this a little bit because too many hats and beanies, you can see it here. For the last thing, I have this here that I bought the other day. You probably have saw that my outro is about me on the space going through planets that are my social media. So I always wanted a light decoration here, but I didn't know what to buy. So at the end I bought this. Wow, that's super cool. This is a planet. It's so cool. I was thinking maybe to change this wallpaper, put it here, throw this one because I don't like it anymore, and then put the light here. So let's turn it on. Hey, this is so cool. I'll have to find a way to put all the lights. There's too many lights. Remember to send me your bedroom pictures so maybe I can show it in another video. Now it's time for me to leave, but it's time for you to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, these kind of things, and I will see you in another video. Okay? So, 再见 and peace out.